Have you ever wondered why people who practice yoga seem to carry an air of calm confidence? What if I told you that in just 6 minutes today, you could take the first step toward joining them? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover a secret benefit of yoga that not only improves your body, but transforms your mind. Hello and welcome. If you're watching this, you're probably curious about yoga, or maybe you're seeking a simple way to relieve stress and boost your health without leaving your living room. Today I'm going to show you 3 beginner-friendly yoga poses that anyone can try right now. Yes, even you sitting there thinking, can I really do this? The answer is a resounding yes. Let's start with the very foundation of all standing poses, the mountain pose or Tadasana. It might look like you're just standing there, but there's so much more happening. As you stand with your feet together, pressing evenly through your feet, imagine a line of energy running up through your legs, spine, and head. This pose isn't just about standing, it's about awakening. It teaches posture and balance and prepares your body and mind for all other yoga activities. Feeling more grounded already? Now, let's balance that grounding with a little lift. The tree pose, or Vrikshasana, challenges and improves your balance dramatically, which reflects in how you handle life's ups and downs. By placing one foot on your inner thigh and bringing your hands to your heart, you're not just building physical balance, but also cultivating mental concentration. Ever feel like your mind's racing a mile a minute? This pose helps slow it down, bringing you into the present. Don't go anywhere. There's another pose up next that celebrities swear by for stress relief. Moving along, let's explore the cat-cow pose. This gentle flow between 2 movements helps you explore your spine's flexibility and deeply relaxes your nervous system. As you alternate between arching your spine upwards like a cat and dipping it down like a cow, you stimulate and stretch the spine. Plus, this motion releases tension in your torso, neck, and shoulders. Imagine easing all that tension away with each breath. Beyond just physical relief, practices like this can lead to significant improvements in emotional resilience. Each pose isn't just shaping your body, it's shaping your approach to life's stresses. So, we've grounded ourselves with the mountain pose, found balance with the tree pose, and released tension with the cat-cow stretch. 3 simple steps, and we're on the path to a healthier, more centered life. Imagine what adding a few minutes of yoga to your daily routine could do for your mind and body over time. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in our case, a single pose. Embrace the calm, embrace the strength, and let your yoga journey begin today. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, keep stretching towards your best self.